Hey, Maggie. Maggie, do you want to play? Whoops. Maggie, can you count? You say 1. What comes next? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All done. Can you say yay? Maggie, can you blow me a kiss? Maggie. Can you blow me a kiss? Maggie, can you grrr? Can you say grrr? Can you turn around so I can see you and do it? Say grrr. Alright, can you say bye-bye? Say see ya. Did it fall down the hole? Say bye-bye, see ya.